In the pulsating world where rubber meets road, it's never just about the destination. It's about the exhilarating journey, the raw power beneath the hood, and the pure, unadulterated joy of driving. Today, we're plunging deep into the heart of performance enhancements. This isn't just about adding horsepower or torque, it's about fulfilling a promise of power, agility, and the unbeatable connection between man, machine, and the open road. Let's start with the cold air intake system. Think of this as a rejuvenating breath of crisp, cold air for your car. This simple upgrade can supercharge your engine's power and efficiency, allowing it to inhale air more easily for a dramatic boost in performance. Next on our list, lowering kits. Lowering your vehicle's stance isn't just about aesthetics. It's about hugging the road, enhancing handling, and sharpening cornering precision. By transforming your ride's posture, you're enhancing its overall performance. Then there's the matter of shedding weight with lightweight wheels. This isn't about dieting, it's about enhancing agility. By reducing weight, you're enabling quicker acceleration, sharper braking, and more nimble handling. It's a transformation that you can feel in every turn. And what's that you hear? That's the sound of freedom. An upgraded exhaust system doesn't just turn heads with its roar, it optimizes performance. It allows your engine to exhale more easily, enabling it to breathe fire and roar to life. Finally, there are performance tires. These unsung heroes are what keep you glued to the asphalt, regardless of the weather. They deliver confidence in every turn, ensuring that you're always in control. So what does all of this mean? It's more than just about speed. It's about crafting a driving experience that's uniquely yours. From cold air intakes to performance tires, every upgrade is a step towards perfecting your automotive masterpiece. The open road is calling. How will you answer? Explore, enhance, and transform. Your journey to automotive excellence starts right now. And remember, your support fuels our journey. So please do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Safe driving, everyone!